guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Klaiyi, and today I will be sharing you my review on this gorgeous curly hair from Klaiyi hair. I do a lot of reviews on affordable hair on my channel. Also, if you're interested in seeing some other textures or curly hair from other brands, be sure to check that out. So the hair that I'm wearing is 3 bundles and a closure of Brazilian curly hair, and the lengths that I got it in were 18, 20, and 22 with a 16-inch free part closure. The stylist that made this into a wig for me used almost all 3 bundles. I only had a little bit of hair left. I love closure wigs. They're great for beginners and you don't have to do a lot of work to them. This wig is a little bit too small, but I'm keeping it secure because of the elastic band that's in it, and also I used some bobby pins to secure all around my head so that the wig doesn't come off. And yeah, I had this wig on for a while. It's not even like slipping or whatever, so I really recommend elastic bands to fit your head, you know, securely. For reference, my head circumference is 22 inches, so if you don't have a wig head already, like a good quality one, please go get one now to teach yourself how to do your own wigs. I'm trying to work on like doing my own hair now, but in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on the hair, and you'll see how I cut and styled it. If you're not subscribed already, then what the hell are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what hairstyle you're rocking right now. So my final thoughts. I got a secret. This hair is almost 2 years old. Yup, that's right. This gorgeous freaking hair is about 2 years old. So you guys already know that this is 100% worth your coin. Like, what hair do you know that lasts this long, that is this manageable and this gorgeous? There's not much, especially affordable at that. And this hair was $178. I have nothing else but positive things to say about this hair. The shedding is very minimal and it's easy to detangle, and it just, I'm gonna bring it all to the front. As you can see, it just is very, like, it still flows, it still has life to it. So it's definitely everything that a girl could want. Like, I really freaking love this hair, and I know that you guys will too. So that wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you purchased this hair, please be sure to tag me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. I have all of them. I want to see how you guys look. And if you made it toward the end of this video, comment down a purple heart emoji, and I will see you in the next one.